Let's learn and practice kitchen vocabulary with Learn English for Life.
Spoon, spoon. Fork, fork. Knife, knife. Teaspoon, teaspoon. Tablespoon, tablespoon. Spatula, spatula. Ladle, ladle. Whisk, whisk. Tongs, tongs. Peeler, peeler. Pan, pan. Saucepan, saucepan. Pot, pot. Pressure cooker, pressure cooker. Kettle, kettle. Baking tray, baking tray. Wok, wok. Plate, plate. Bowl, bowl. Cup, cup. Mug, mug. Glass, glass. Saucer, saucer. Refrigerator, refrigerator. Oven, oven. Microwave, microwave. Blender, blender. Mixer, mixer. Toaster, toaster. Rice cooker, rice cooker. Jar, jar. Container, container. Bottle, bottle. Spice rack, spice rack. Canister, canister. Sink, sink. Dish soap, dish soap. Sponge, sponge. Dish towel, dish towel. Trash bin, trash bin. Cutting board, cutting board. Grater, grater. Strainer, strainer. Sieve, sieve. Rolling pin, rolling pin. Measuring cup, measuring spoon.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video.